Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a Dragondress Sophia from Alphamax, and in today's video I'm going to build this. I began building this kit by taking out each part from its sprues according to the instructions. Each part was smoothed out using files and sandpapers before assembling them. This was my first time building a kit from Alphamax and I was pleasantly surprised. While their quality isn't up to the Bandai or Tamiya standard, it still had a good quality plastic and fit and finish was good with minimum flash mark. Nub marks were located in easy to clean spot in most places and fit and finish were pretty good. The instruction manual was printed on a high quality paper, but some of the instructions were a bit hard to figure out and it caused some confusions. In fact, inside the kit, there was an extra piece of paper that seems to be either a correction or add-on to the original manual to avoid some confusion. Still, it didn't help much. Despite the bad instructions, it was still an easy and enjoyable build, and within a few hours, I was able to finish this kit with minimal problems. This is how the kit looks like built straight out of the box. This kit looks gorgeous. There were some beautifully sculpted parts which emphasized the woman's charm, resulting in one beautiful lady who is full of adult charm. The color of the steel and the red looks bad and toy-like on her, but it really didn't hurt the overall look. Before painting, I cleaned up some parts and modified the feel. I used a plastic putty to clean up some large gaps to a smooth finish. I also used a pla-plate to add some details, especially on her underwear. I cut out a few strips and glued them onto the parts using plastic glue. I filed and sanded them to shape until I got to the desired result. I also used epoxy putty to sculpt the part into a shape before sanding them to a smooth finish. I didn't go crazy with the details, but little work paid off to make this kit looking same but unique. Once everything was done, I cleaned each part in warm soapy water in preparation for painting. I painted the kit by priming each part first. The primer allows me to see the errors in my custom work by covering it with one solid color, and it helps with the paint adhere better to the surface. I began painting the kit by applying a darker shade as a base coat and applying a lighter shade as a highlight. Slow and careful highlighting created a nice shaded look, especially on her skin tone. Before closing, I applied a skin tone as a base color and applied several layers of thinned out black to get an effect similar to stocking. This took a few tries, but I was able to make it look very presentable. For the steel part, I began with the black primer and applied Mr. Metal Color Iron. Once the paint has been cured, I used a cotton ball and cotton swab to buff it to a smooth finish. This took a few hours, but the result was a well-aged yet well-oiled iron look. For the red part, such as her horn, I used black as a base color and carefully applied red as a highlight. This gave it a dark red which suits the devilish look. Once all painting was done, I applied included water slide decals for her eyes. And once water slide decals has been set, I finished it with a varnish to protect the paint job. And here is a finished kit. I kept the kit to the original design and color theme. The custom work is subtle and barely noticeable but improved the overall look. By replacing the steel color with a more metallic color and glossy red to much darker red, it improved the look of the kit tremendously. I taped off all joints before painting, so even after painting, the kit was able to pose well. There were some scraping issues on her torso, but it wasn't as bad as I used a lacquer paint, which resisted scratching. With a beautiful and well-sculpted female that oozes with woman's charm, contrasting with a dark and sinister dragon, this is one beautiful kit. It's too bad that the kit isn't printed much and it's hard to find, raising the price from its already expensive price. I really enjoyed the build, and I really love this kit due to its look and design. But due to its limited availability and price, it's hard to recommend this. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link to my blog where you can find more pictures. Please hit the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.